212.
Boston approach Delta 2165, 13,300, descending via the Roebuck expansion kilo.
Delta 2165, Boston approach, expect to see ILS 27.
ILS 27, Delta 2165.
Mike, just going to maintain 6,000. 6,000, Mike.
As we prepare for landing, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Your seat back and tray table are in their upright lock position. And your aisle armrests are in the resting position. If your seat has a video monitor that extends from the armrest, it also must be stowed. Please ensure larger devices, such as laptops, are stowed at this time in the back under the seat in front of you. They may not be stowed in seat pockets. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they are properly secured. Finally, please check around your seat one last time for any remaining items you'd like to discard and pass them to the flight attendants as they come through the cabin. We'll be landing shortly.
Delta 2165, 210.
Flow 210, Delta 2165.
Rivershed 824, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210, Rivershed 824.
Delta 1349, reduce speed to 210. 1439, reduce speed to 210. Speed 210, Delta 1439. Contact final 126.5.
26715, Delta 2165. Delta 2165, 8,000.
Delta 2165, Boss, bridge flighting 050, vectors for sequence, descend and maintain 5,000.
050 down to 5,000, Delta 2165.
Delta 2160, contact tower 128.8.
28.8, have a good day, JetBlue 2160.
Soothing. Air 7, turn, rate heading 180.
Right 180, Air 7.
Number 2, Mike, Chelsea 360, descend and maintain 4,000.
360 down to 4,000, 2 Mike.
Cat 4556, reduce speed to 170.
Right, yep. Alright, reduce speed 170, now Richter 4556.
Carrier 7 turning 250, traffic to follows 230 and 3.5 miles west on the Challenger 4000.
Traffic slate.
Carrier 7, thanks, follow the traffic and proceed about runway 27, altitude at discretion, maintain 17 knots.
17 knots,
Richter 4556, 6 miles from Clane, maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, Clane Islands runway 27 approach, maintain 17 knots to rip it.
Alright, 4,000 still established, clear for the ILS 27 approach and 170 for Richter 4556, thank you.
Number 2, Mike, turn left heading 300, sub runway 27 localizer.
30 to intercept 27 left for
Delta 411, contact tower 128.8.
Have a great day, Delta 411.
You too, thanks. Number 2, Mike, reduce speed to 170. Delta 2165, reduce speed to 190, then descend to maintain 4,000.
Slow 190 knots at 4,000, Delta 2165.
Delta 49, descend to maintain 5,000.
5,000, Delta 49. Approach Rivershed 824, 6,000, descending 5,000, heading 070, 210 knots.
Rivershed 824, Boston approach, roger. Delta 1003, turn rating 180.
Turn right heading 130, Delta 1003.
Number 2, Mike, 7 miles from Clane, cross plane at 4,000, cleared ILS runway 27 approach, maintain 17 knots to rip it.
184, clear for the ILS 27, 170 knots for
Delta 2165, Northing 360.
360 heading, Delta 2165.
Delta 1003, reduce speed to 170.
170.
Riverjet 824, Northing 040.
Left 040, Riverjet 824.
Until established on the localizer, split out from 127 approach. Maintain 17 knots, terrific.
7 from the ILS 27, run 27 and 4,000 until, 170 knots until Delta 10.
Exit is 726, contact tower 128.8.
Tower 28, Riverjet 726, good day.
Yeah. Riverjet 824, Northing 020, descend to maintain 4,000.
Left 020 down to 4,000, Riverjet 824.
2165, Northing 300, Denver 127 localizer.
Delta 2165. Delta 1439, 645.
Delta 1439, Boss, approach roger, reduce speed 190.
Speed 190.
Riverjet 824, reduce speed to 190.
Speed 190, Riverjet 824.
Delta 2165, reduce speed to 170.
Slow 170 knots, Delta 2165.
Air 7, contact tower 128.8.
28, Air 7.
Delta 49, terminating 180.
Heading 180, Delta 49.
Delta 2165, 7 miles from Clean, cross plane at 4,000, cleared ILS runway 27 approach, maintain 17 knots, terrific.
Maintain 170 ribbons, cross train at 4,000, cleared ILS runway 27 approach, Delta 2165.
Delta 2165, contact tower 128.8.
Tower, good day, Delta 2165.
Yeah.
I won the whole game.
And Township 1926, ribbon and button. Delta 2165, ILS runway 27.
2165, Boston Tower, come to Airbus 21, 3.5 miles, final runway 27.
Little end runway 27, Delta 2165. Tower, breaker 4556, hold short of 4 left, just want to confirm your quick cross.
Breaker 4556, affirmative, thanks for checking, cross the left at Kilo and contact ground over now.
Alright, sorry about that. Cross 4 left at Kilo over to ground port down on this side. Thank you for your help.
American 2093, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
2293.
American 2093, I need you to pick up the pace to look at your last traffic on a first mile. Mike, right on Kilo, cross runway 4 left, contact ground 1 enter.
Kilo, cross. 49 ILS 27.
49, Boston Tower, 737, on a 3 mile final, runway 27 to the wind.
Clear to land 27, Delta 47.
Contact departure today. American 2293, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 2 miles final, across the runway.
33 left, line of point, American 2293. 1003, turn right on Kilo, cross runway 4 left, give way to the toe, and then opposite direction, contact ground for Niner.
Give way and then ground point. Niner Delta 1003.
Just hold short of Bravo, position ground now, point Niner, good day.
Tower River State 24, ILS 27.
Reset 824 Boston Tower, traffic 3 miles per hour, about 321. Traffic holding crossing runway, runway 27. 824 Causeway, turn to the air.
Roger.
American 2023, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
30 left, clear for takeoff, American 2293.
Delta 2165, right on Kilo, cross runway 4 left, contact ground for Niner.
Ground 29 Delta 2165.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Boston, where the local time is 4 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. As you deplane, please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. On behalf of Delta and this Boston-based crew, we've enjoyed having you on board and we look forward to seeing you soon.